Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you step by step how to get back archive posts and videos in your Instagram. This is very easy. Let's jump right in. Before starting this video, please subscribe my channel. First of all, you have to open your Instagram profile, and here you have to tap on top right three lines. Here you can see when you click on these three lines. Now here you have to click on this archive option. Here you can see you have to click on this. When you click on archive button, now here you can see your all archive posts and videos. Here you have to select any post which you want to get back. For example, I'm selecting this one video. For example, I'm selecting this video. To get back this video, you have to click on right. So here you have to click on right three dots at the right bottom. After that, here you have to click on share as a post or save video. In this way you can get back this post or video on Instagram. In this way you can get back archive post.